This segment is brought to you in part by Milner Vet Hospital.
We all want our pets to be happy and healthy, but if their teeth are bad, they're neither one. We're here right now with Dr. Steve Milner at Milner Veterinary Hospital in Oregon City, and teeth really are that important. That's not underestimating it at all.
No, teeth are very important. A diseased mouth will affect your kidneys, your heart, just your overall general health. Dogs with good teeth live a lot longer.
Now this is Gus, the office doggy, and we're not working on him today, but we did just get to see a procedure with Abby, and she was kind of a worst case scenario, wasn't she?
Abby had very bad teeth. I think we pulled 11 teeth out of Abby. The bacteria that causes tartar in the teeth really likes heart tissue and kidney tissue. And every time she bites down on something, that bacteria gets into her bloodstream and ends up in the kidney and the heart. And down the road, that causes big problems.
And she had so many bad teeth, I have to imagine that it didn't feel good for her either.
It had hurt terribly every time she bit a piece of food.
Oh my gosh. So talk to me about the procedure and kind of the steps of what you did.
First of all, we looked Abby over and made sure she was nice and healthy. We did some blood work to make sure her blood work looked fine. Put an IV catheter in, we put her under anesthetic, and then we started cleaning her teeth. We x-rayed her mouth, saw the diseased teeth. I removed those, and then we scaled them and polished them just like the dentist does with you.
And you had some kind of high-tech equipment back there that not every vet has, don't you?
We had Abby. Abby's very small, and
Yeah.
we always worry about them losing body temperature when they're under anesthetic. So we had her on a very high-tech heating pad that actually monitors her temperature and keeps her warm. And then we used digital x-ray, which is very nice. And then I had a bunch of monitoring equipment too. We monitored her blood pressure and her ECG, her oxygen saturation, just to make sure everything was going fine during the anesthetic.
And you were saying you had that digital x-ray before your own dentist had digital x-ray. And you also used something at the end, the laser.
We have a companion therapy laser, and we treated the areas where I pulled the teeth out. That speeds up the healing, it controls pain a little bit, and it greatly pulls out inflammation. As far as pain and scariness, it's no different than going to your dentist.
Talk to me about cost for this kind of procedure.
We've recently lowered our prices quite a bit. I actually have a coupon out, a $150 off coupon. The procedure is usually about $425, so we're currently doing them for $275.
Is there anything you can do at home, or is cleaning kind of inevitable?
Cleaning is a little inevitable, but brushing the dog's teeth makes a big difference. Feeding dry food helps quite a bit to clean the teeth. The dog treats help a little bit, but basically just monitoring the teeth and getting them there early before they're bad like Abby's.
And how early should you have them done? How often should you have teeth cleaned?
It depends greatly on the dog. Gus over here has had his teeth cleaned about once a year for ever since he was a puppy.
Wow.
My dog before him only needed his teeth cleaned once in his life. A dog like Abby, probably every 18 months, but it varies quite a bit dog to dog.
And we should also mention that it's not just dogs. If you have a kitty, it's pretty important they get their teeth cleaned.
Cats
too.
get neglected there. The dental disease in cats isn't quite as obvious. It's a lot of times below the gum line, but it's very important in cats too.
And now that Abby's lost 11 teeth, what are we looking at for her life after this? Is this still going to be okay, or?
Things will heal up very quickly. The mouth heals extremely fast, and I'm sure by tomorrow she'll feel better than she did this morning.
If you want to learn more about how to keep your pet's teeth healthy, you can log on to kptv.com/more, find Milner Vet Hospital and their microsite, or you can call the number on your screen.